Hi guys, and welcome back to another video in my channel, Sarah Liisa. Thank you so much if you are a subscriber, and if not, and you like fashion and thrifting and home decor, subscribe down below. This week I am excited for spring, and I'm going to give you 7 things for spring that you can wear in your wardrobe right now. And we'll just get into it. The first thing I have for spring is bows. Bows are absolutely everywhere right now, and they kind of have a sweetness and a charm to them. They're kind of girly, so if you're a bit older, you have to be a bit more careful with how you wear them. But a tiny little pair of bow earrings, for example, could be really sweet. You could do a piece of black ribbon in your hair, or you could go all out and find a gigantic bow dress or a sweater covered in bows. They are absolutely everywhere right now. Number 2 is anything sheer, but especially sheer skirts. Any kind of sheer fabric, kind of giving a nod to the 90s, but making it more modern and more fresh for spring in a little light overlayer. Another way you can do this is like a cardigan, or it won't really keep you warm like a cardigan, but a sort of shell to go over what you're wearing. I'll try and find some pictures and insert them down below. But the sheer tulle sort of ballet core skirt is going to be huge this spring. So take a tiny little bit of it or go bananas and wear a full sheer skirt. Totally up to you, but it is absolutely on trend and you can wear it right now. Number 3 of items that you can wear for spring right now are colored tights and shorts. This one is a little bit wild, but stay with me because you can still wear your boots when it's cold outside. Find a pair of shorts that you adore in a sturdy fabric, and then add a complementing tight. I kid you not, you're gonna look amazing. Add some boots and then maybe a chunky sweater, a jean jacket. You can really play with this one, but shorts and tights, I kid you not, give it a try. Number 4 would be a garden dress. And personally, this is going to be my absolute go-to. This is where April Cornell and Laura Ashley, honestly, there's so many good vintage brands that you can look up to find this trend. But a garden dress, think of a dress that you would walk around picking wildflowers in. Something cotton. You can always add a cardigan sweater over top. If it's still too chilly outside to wear sleeveless, look for cotton, look for soft color palettes. Purple is really, really sweet this spring, and you could do like a huge print, you could do a tiny ditzy floral print. There are so many of these pretty cottage garden vibes, flower picking, market day dresses. You can tell which one I'm most excited about for sure, but I'll link some down below, and I'm gonna have a lot of these in my shop. They're on order and en route if you want to check out my shop later as well. But this is my favorite, and it is the garden dress. Number 5 is a white top. This could be a blouse, this could be a simple cotton t-shirt, this could be an eyelet trim, scalloped hem. You could go crazy with it or tone it down, but the white dress is going to be crazy hot this summer. Everyone's going to be wearing a white dress. We're not quite ready for it yet, guys. It's only spring. So I'm suggesting to you a white top will tide you over until it is time to wear the white dress. Again, natural fibers, natural fabrics, linen would be amazing, cotton would be amazing. You could do a really formal button-up, or you could keep it really, really casual with a white cotton t-shirt. Number 6 is a statement sneaker. And if you're feeling bold, get 2 of them. I love sneakers all spring and into summer. I have a pair of Marimekko, like flat form, so not like a platform wedge, but it's flat and it's thick all the way across the bottom, that I adore. It's in a strong print and somehow it goes with everything. So you could do like a really strong white dad sneaker. You could do something printed. I'm going to recommend have 2 for your wardrobe because you will wear them all spring and all summer. Get something in a crazy fun print and then get something in a solid white if you're brave. If you are walking the dogs all the time like I am, maybe not white, maybe pick a color, could even be like navy, but a flat form or a chunky sneaker will just you'll go everywhere in them. Trust me, get some sneakers to wear with all your spring clothes. And my very last, number 7, isn't something that you wear, clothing-wise anyway. It's your nails. It is time to sort of push all of the dark reds and browns and black, if you're bold, nail polish to the back of the cupboard and bring out some really sheer nail looks. There are so many pretty ones out there right now. If you go to a salon, you can ask for help. The nail technicians will give you help in sort of knowing what the trends are, but think sheer, think pretty pastel nails, and think really natural to get you through the summer. My personal favorite that I'm wearing right now is by Essie, and it is called, oh goodness, it's called Ballet Slippers, and I do 2 coats of Essie Ballet Slippers, and I will wear that absolutely all summer long. It's amazing. So there you have it. Those are my 7 ways that you can get ready for spring right now. Let me know in the comments below if you plan to try any of these trends or tried and true fashion staples this year. And let me know if you have thrifted any of them as well. I always look forward to you guys sharing with me what your best thrifted finds were. And I'll see you back here next week with a brand new one. Bye.